लगभग 85 to 88% लोहे से बना हुआ है और इसकी परत पर लगभग 47% ऑक्सीजन है। और हाँ, आपकी जानकारी के लिए बता दें, पृथ्वी के आंतरिक कोर का तापमान सूर्य की सतह के तापमान से भी अधिक है, जिसकी सतह के नीचे टेक्टोनिक प्लेट्स मौजूद है और ये प्लेट्स पृथ्वी के अंदर मैग्मा के ऊपर तैर रही है। और हाँ, जब ये प्लेट्स आपस में टकराती है तब हमें पृथ्वी पर कंपन का अनुभव होता है और जिसे हम आम भाषा में भूकंप कहते हैं।
The ground beneath our feet is always moving. We don't feel this often, but we can see the results of the movement almost everywhere. The Earth's crust is what moves. Our planet's outer shell. It is not one piece, but instead is made of individual puzzle pieces, plates. They were all part of a continent that broke up over 200 million years ago. Since then, it hasn't stopped moving. This is called tectonics. Plates move slowly, as fast as growing fingernails. Continental plates form the land the continents are on. Plates that are covered with water are called oceanic plates. They are thinner and the rock is heavier. When continental plates collide, the folds can pile up and create huge mountain ranges up to 8 kilometers high. An oceanic plate pushes itself under a continental one. It disappears into the Earth's hot mantle, creating an ocean trench up to 8 kilometers deep. On its way down into the mantle, the oceanic plate melts. But the liquid magma can return to the surface at another place. A volcano is born. When two oceanic plates move apart, the seam is called an ocean ridge. Magma from inside the Earth escapes here. This drives the plates further apart and makes them grow. Plates that glide past each other can get tangled up and stick. When they separate, the Earth shakes. Earthquakes show our planet is anything but a calm place.